This is a tale from Panay, probably originated with the Spanish fathers who wished to impress the doctrine of the 7 deadly sins on the natives. The islands are just off Iloilo. The fall of Polobulac. Little away from Iloilo, there once was a beautiful island called Polobulac, or Isle of Flowers. Its shores were covered with beautiful trees and plants. Splendid gardens of flowers were found everywhere. Fruits grew in abundance. Fountains sparkled in the sunlight, and the people were the happiest in the world. They danced and sang to gay music and were free from every care and sorrow. Filled with confidence in their good fortune and proud of their beautiful island, they began to slight the people of the neighboring islands, to treat them with insolence and scorn. One night the sky was darkened, lightning flashed, the rain fell in torrents. The voice cried from the clouds, above the roar of the thunder, "I am Pride. Avoid me or perish." Terrified, they prayed to God for protection. But with the morning sun, their fears left them and they continued as before. Days passed and the people grew richer. And with their own beautiful island, they longed to possess the lands of their neighbors.
Tumuloy kayo.
Mahal na dato, pinatawag niyo raw kami.
Ipinatawag ko kayo sa pagpupulong na ito para paghandaan natin ang pagsakop sa kabilang isla. Ang Islang Asulan. Ikaw, Abdul, magtungo ka sa Islang Asulan at manmanan mo ang kanilang galaw.
Masusunod, mahal na dato. Ngayon rin ay tutungo ako sa Islang Asulan. Again came the storm, and again a voice cried from the heavens, "I am covetousness, come to me and die." Once more they appealed for protection, but they did not change their ways. Weeks went by, and with wealth came low and base desires. Islang Asulan, lalo pat naghihirap na ang ekonomiya namin. Bumabagsak na ito. Tama lang. The storm came as before and brought the warning, "I have evil desire. Fly from me or be lost." But again it sounded to sealed ears. Months rolled on. The people quarreled with their neighbors and sent forth an army to make war upon them. The voice thundered, I am anger. I give eternal torment. Years followed. The tables of the people of Polobulak were loaded with the finest foods and wines.
Ipagdiwang natin ang ating pagkapanalo.
Pagdiwang! Day and night found them feasting.
Nasaan pa ang ibang prutas? Bilisan mo ang iyong pagkilos.
Napakabagal. The cry sounded above them. I am ready. I the fire ranger. The winds alone echoed the warning. Time flew by. Each man sought to outdo the others in display of luxury and magnificence. The poor grudged the rich their fortunes, and sought in every way to injure them. Again, a voice came through the darkness. I am envy. My people are condemned. More wealth brought greater luxury. They lulled in idleness. They idled in the midst of magnificence.
Alipin, pumarito ka at ako'y pagsilbihan.
The voice warned, I am sloth. I bring final warn. They were used to the voices now, and gave them not the slightest heed. Their insolence and greed grew greater. Fair island shook with dissension and strife. One day the sun was hidden with blackness. A fearful tempest burst over the land. The people on the other islands saw Polobulak wrapped in 7 huge pillars of flame. When the sky cleared, Polobulak was nowhere to be seen. In its place, 7 blackened rocks marked the spot where stood the beautiful isle. They are there to this day. You can see them as you leave the harbor for the southern ports. Sometimes they appear as one. Again, they seem to group in twos and threes, but they are called the Deadly Sins.